Hey, Ash here from Quoter, and today I want to walk you through a few improvements to our quote templates that we just rolled out. The first one you'll notice right away is we've totally updated the UI here. So this now matches our quote editor UI, and so it's much easier as you're learning Quoter or using templates and learning how templates work to transfer that learning over to quote creation and really speed up that quote creation process because you already understand what things are and the look and feel. So secondly, we now have the ability to rearrange sections within section groups and amongst other sections. So you can see here, I can grab this section group, easily drop it down here in between these two sections. I could even move this section into the section group if I wanted to. And now the prospect or customer would have to pick from one of these three sections. I can pull that back out if I made a mistake there. And I can move my hardware section down above my optional add-ons again if I want to. So as you can see, very flexible, very fast, very easy to use. We also have the ability now to move line items with the same UI. So not a lot of change functionally here, but a way nicer experience when you are moving things around. I should note that we now have the little icon that denotes where the item's coming from, its source, is now showing against each of these items as well. This isn't new, it's really just a change to the UI. We are also now showing the error messages if you have a conflict with your recurring setting on the template. We've got much clearer messaging along the top here, and we put a little alert icon and tooltip on the specific item that has the conflict. I should also mention that we recently released the option to make items on the template optional and editable quantity or default selected, or both. And really what that does is it speeds up the quote creation process because these are options that you want to make available to your end customer or prospect. You want them to be able to choose to include this item or not. But before that could only be done in the quote editor, and now it can be done on the template. So really what I'd want to do here is not set that down there, but I'd want to set it on my optional add-ons. And those probably wouldn't be, well, they'd probably be editable quantity, yeah, for a monitor potentially. Lastly, really quickly, we did also update the information text along the top here, just to let you know that bundles need to be created in advance of working on your template. And we just put a helpful link in to where you can create bundles. I hope this is helpful as you're learning Quoter and learning how to create templates to have that consistent UI through the two interfaces. And I also really hope this speeds up your quote creation process. Happy coding.